Hi everyone, in this video we'll be looking at Best Buy Better Buy. Basically what this is about is, sometimes you might go to the grocery and you might see an item. I could use this example that's showing here already, peanut butter, right? You might see peanut butter smaller jar sold for a particular price, and then you'll see a bigger jar sold for a little more expensive, right? And you're really wondering which one is really the better buy, boy. But a lot of people tend to buy the smaller one because they think, okay, smaller one, cheaper price, it's the better buy. But that's not always the case, right? And as I have gotten older, and as you get older and you start making your own money, you will start looking for the best buy or the better buy when you're purchasing products. So, you're getting the most value for your money, right? Now, let's look at an example. This example here. So we have two peanut butter jars. Jar A is 150 grams at $2.14. Then we have jar B, which is at 400 grams, and that is the price of that is $6.50. You want to know which jar above is the better buy. Show all working to support your answer. So you can't just say jar A is the better buy or jar B is the better buy. You have to actually show it working and justify your answer. Now, let's go through the working here. So here we have two jars of peanut butter. The small jar A is smaller than jar B, but which one is really the better buy? So what I'm advising you all to do is let us find the better let us find for one first, right? So whether the unit is grams, kilograms, liters, whatever it may be, find for one first. So meaning here, let's find for 1 kilogram, the cost for 1 kilogram first. So jar A is $2.14. So find for 1 kilogram. So that'll be $2.14 divided by 150. So 1 kilogram is $0.014. Do the same thing for jar B. Jar B, 400 kilograms is $6.50. So find for cost for 1 kilogram. So $6.50 divided by 400, you get 0.016. This is the cost for 1 gram, sorry. So when you look at the cost of 1 kilogram for jar A and then jar B, which one is cheaper, right? Obviously, this here is cheaper than the 1 gram, sorry, for jar B. So 0.014 is less than 0.016. Therefore, jar A is the better buy. And that's how you justify your working. Let's look at another question. So this is May, June 2013. Smiley orange juice is sold in cartons of two different sizes at the prices shown below in the table below. So we have carton size 350 milliliters, and the price of this is $4.20. And then 450 milliliters carton size is $5.13. Which size carton of juice is the better buy? Justify your answer, right? And I put there, justify means you must show your working. So we know that 300, let's look at carton, the first carton, 350 milliliters is $4.20. Just like the question before, find for one first, 1 milliliter. So that'll be $4.20 divided by the 350 milliliters, right? And you're just going to use your calculator and divide that. So $4.20 divided by 350, and you would get 0.012, right? And that's in dollars there, right? And now let's look at the 450 milliliters. So 450 milliliters is $5.13. Again, find for 1 milliliter. So the cost for 1 milliliter will be $5.30 divided by that 450 milliliters. Once again, just work it out in the calculator. $5.13 divided by 450, and you're going to get 0.0114, right? Now, so this is my 350 milliliter carton, right? and I'll write my 450 milliliter carton here, right? So for 1 milliliter, it is 0.012. And then for 1 milliliter here, you see how here 3 decimal places? Let's use 3 decimal places here. So you just use those 3 numbers. 0.01. Which one is the cheaper price? Technically, this one, this 450 milliliter has the cheaper price per milliliter. So therefore, my 450 milliliter carton is the better buy. Better buy. Right? Again, for this question, find for one first. As I said, if you're working with grams, find the cost for 1 gram. Right? If you're working with milliliters, find the cost for 1 milliliter. If you're looking at kilograms, find the cost for 1 kilogram. Right? Whichever one has the cheaper or lower cost, when it's 1 milliliter or 1 gram or 1 kilometer, that would be your better buy. Right? And that's it for this question and this topic. Any questions, feel free to comment below and ask.